Hi everyone, I am Vikas. Welcome back to channel Info More Works. Today I am going to provide more information about Osaka pen heads. This one is Osaka VH25 video pen head and the cost of this pen head is 1600 rupees. This is Osaka hydraulic fluid video pen head. Model number is VH75 and the cost of this pen head is 5500. And this one is model number VH95 hydraulic pen head and the cost of this pen head is 5500 rupees. Before I start further, I am requesting you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will receive a camera accessories updates in future also. Please see this video till the end so that you will get all the information about this video pen heads. All the buying links are mentioned in the description box. Now let's start with the VH25 video pen head. This is fluid pen head. Now we are doing unboxing of this pen head. The load capacity of this product is 4 kg. Weight is 500 gram and build quality is plastic. In this head you can see 3 by 8 inch female screw, quick release plate and pen tilt bar. Pan lock and tilt lock for vertical and horizontal movement ensures jerk-free video. It includes 1 by 4 inch thread screw attachment. Now we are loosening the screw of quick release plate with the help of the coin. Mounting camera in the 1 by 4 inch screw thread of quick release plate. Inserting the monopod into the pen head's 3.8 inch female screw. Now camera is ready for tilt movement. With the help of tilt lock, you can stop the tilt movement. With the help of pen lock, you can start horizontal movement. You can adjust the position of pen tilt bar by loosening its screw. Now removing camera from pen head. Loosening the screw of quick release plate with the help of the coin. Removing the pen head from the monopod. You can press the pause button to check out the sizes of pen head. Next we will see unboxing of hydraulic fluid pen head VH75. The maximum loading capacity is 6 kg and weight is 1.3 kg and build quality is metal. This is pen tilt bar. You can adjust the position of it by loosening its screw. By loosening the screw of quick release plate lock, the plate will start its movement. If you press and lower down the lock, then plate will come out. If you remove the rubber stopper, then screw will come out from the plate. You can see pan lock, tilt lock and bubble level indicator. You can mount pen tilt bar on both sides, left and right. Now we are inserting and removing it from the right side of the pen head. Mounting the camera in the 1/4 inch screw thread of quick release plate. Tightening the screw with the help of the coin. After mounting it, tight the quick release plate lock. Inserting the monopod into the pen head's 3/8 inch female screw. Now loosening the pen head to move the pen head horizontally. Inserting pen tilt bar on the other side of pen head. Then loosening the tilt lock to move the pen head. Removing the camera from pen head. Now we are checking hydraulic movement of this pen head. You can check the pen head is moving without support. In the last part of this video, we will see unboxing of hydraulic fluid pen head VH95. The load capacity is 6 kg and the weight is 1.3 kg, and the build quality of this pen head is metal. You can see pen tilt bar. Through it you can adjust the position by loosening its screw. It includes 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch thread screw attachments. By loosening the screw of quick release plate lock, the movement of plate will start. You can see the plate will come out by releasing the lock. Pan and tilt lock helps to capture the jerk-free videos. You can mount pan tilt bar on both sides. We are inserting and removing it from the right side of the pen head. Now I am inserting it at the left side of the pen head. Removing the quick release plate from pen head. Mounting camera in the 1/4 inch screw thread of quick release plate. Tightening the screw with the help of coin. Mounting the camera in the pen head. Inserting the monopod into the pen head's 3/8 inch female screw. Now checking pen head hydraulic movement. You can check out the pen head is moving without any support. Loosening the pen lock to move the pen head horizontally. Removing the camera from pen head. And pen head from the monopod. This is all about all three pen heads. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe and share this video.